Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chef Amir and you are watching Chef Live Vlog. The ingredients for beef meatball are as follows. Here I can show you the main ingredients for beef meatball is minced beef. As you can see here, I kept 100 grams of minced beef. I have a tomato sauce here for a sauce to cook beef meatball. Then I have one piece of veal bone marrow. And for the supplement ingredients, I have salt and pepper to taste for seasoning. I have chopped parsley, half onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 red chili, and some 30 ml of full fat milk. I have 15 gram of butter, 1 piece of egg, 1 parmesan cheese 30 gram, then 2 pieces of bread and some breadcrumbs for meatball. Alright, so let's start to prepare meatball first. Then we will cook the bone marrow in the oven. Then I will show you how we prepare a beef meatball with tomato sauce on top of veal bone marrow. Let's go. Now as you can see, the meatball mixture is ready. Now I'm going to portion few pieces. This is actually for the 3 to 4 people can have this much portion. So I'm going to show you just one portion. Before you make the meatball, just take some oil on a plate, small plate, then take some on your hand to rub it so that it will not stick in your gloves like this. Then take a small piece of meatball, start to make a meatball like this. Then like this, portion there. So as you can see, I have taken 4 pieces of meatball as one portion and it's ready. Now let us start to cook the sauce. of beef meatball. Alright, let's go. Okay, take a small pot, put in a medium fire so that the pot will not get too hot. Then when you saute onion, it will not get burned. Okay, and drizzle some olive oil. As you can see, I have put some olive oil only, not too much. Then take some onion, red onion, not too much. Let's take like 15 grams. Then slow the fire. Let the onion get translucent. Should not burn, but should be nice. Okay. Now I'm going to put some chopped garlic that I chopped before. Just put 6 to 7 grams, not too much.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Amir. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, I will be back with another beautiful video in upcoming days, and I just want to say thank you so much for liking my videos, subscribing my videos, and keep following me. Stay tuned for more updates, and I will be back with a lot more good videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.